Combine the two. Combine the accounting, Chuck, and also the financial analysis of the CFA designation. Is Home Depot a different company than the company we've known for 20 years?
No, not at all. I mean, I think there's a lot going on with the consumer right now, and you touched on it in terms of the weather impact. But I think the key line out of the Home Depot release today was demand starting to normalize. And I think that's something we haven't heard from Home Depot in quite some time. And I think that's the big issue. And understanding how long that's going to last is really going to weigh on shares here in the near term. But let's face it, I mean, March was very unfavorable from a weather perspective, but April wasn't. And we don't know the exit rate for the month of
Right.
April right now, but we suspect it was weak. And so you can't hide behind weather right now.
One of the distinctions they have is they own the pro market, or at least that's the verbiage. Do they still own the pro market? And is that the Home Depot distinction forward?
Oh, 100%. I mean, let's face it, nothing really structurally has changed here with Home Depot. Stock's down a little bit pre-market. They didn't have a great first quarter. They're cutting the guide for the year. But pro business, north of 50% of their sales, they still dominate that part of the market, particularly relative to peers. Lowe's is way behind at close to 25%. So again, that has not changed at all today.
How much is this really a housing-specific sector issue, a construction-related issue, just simply because there has been so much investment in people's homes, there has been purchases, and prices have gone up so much?
Yeah, I think it's all of that. I think demand normalization again is the key here. But you know, when rates are this high, people are not moving. But let's face it, people have jobs, so they're still investing in their homes. We're just seeing category demand normalization across the board. And I do think that their seasonal business, we'll learn more on the 9 o'clock call, was also soft because of some of the issues with weather here.